Google AI Studio plus Gemini 3.1 flashlight. Build and automate anything. Google just dropped something wild. It's called Gemini 3.1 flashlight. And when you pair it with Google AI Studio, you can build AI tools, apps, and automation systems with just a few prompts. No code, no tech degree, and it's so fast it makes every other model look like it's running in slow motion. Let me show you exactly how this works. So right now, Google is rolling out one of the most exciting AI updates we've seen this year. And most people have no idea it even exists, which means if you're watching this, you're already ahead, because what I'm about to walk you through is going to change how you think about building with AI. And I'm not just saying that to sound dramatic. I genuinely think this is one of the biggest shifts we've seen in a long time. So stick with me, because by the end of this video, you're going to know exactly how to use this thing to automate almost anything in your business or your projects. Let me break down what Gemini 3.1 flashlight actually is, because the name sounds fancy, but the idea is simple. Google has this family of AI models called Gemini 3. Think of it like a lineup. You've got the big heavy models that are great at deep thinking and complex stuff. And then you've got Flashlight. Flashlight is the speed demon. It was built from the ground up to be insanely fast and to handle a massive amount of work at the same time. We're talking about processing thousands of requests without breaking a sweat. And it does all of this while still being really smart. Now, here's where it gets interesting. One of the coolest features they added is something called adjustable thinking levels. Stay with me on this because it's a game changer. Basically, you can tell the AI how hard to think about something. Now, if you need a quick answer, you set the thinking level to low and it fires back in a split second. If you need it to really dig deep and analyze something complex, you crank it up. This means you're always getting exactly the right balance of speed and brain power for whatever you're working on. No other model lets you do this the same way. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let us know what you think about this Gemini update. All right, so let's talk about why this matters for you, because cool tech is great, but what can you actually do with it? And the answer is honestly kind of insane. When you combine Gemini 3.1 flashlight with Google AI Studio, you basically get a playground where you can build real AI tools just by typing prompts. No coding, no complicated setup. You just open Google AI Studio, pick the flashlight model, and start telling it what to build. Let me give you a real example. Say you run a business and every day you get hundreds or even thousands of images, maybe product photos, maybe user uploads, maybe screenshots. Normally someone on your team has to go through all of those one by one and sort them. That takes forever. With Flashlight, you can build a system that looks at every single image, understands what's in it, and sorts it into the right category automatically. Shoes go in the shoe folder, electronics go in the electronics folder, furniture goes in the furniture folder. And it does this in seconds, not hours. Seconds, because the model is multimodal, which means it can understand images and text and data all at the same time. And that's just one use case. You can use this same approach to build content moderation tools, media libraries, data visualization dashboards, and so much more. The building blocks are all right there inside Google AI Studio. Now, here's another example that I think is going to blow your mind. Imagine you run a retail business. Every day you need report trends, inventory updates, marketing performance. Normally, you'd have someone pulling data from 5 different places, copying it into a spreadsheet, making charts, and then sending it to you. That whole process might take half a day. With Flashlight, you can build an AI agent that does all of that automatically. It pulls the data, it analyzes the trends, it generates a report, it builds a dashboard, and it delivers it to you, all without a single person lifting a finger. That's the power of what we're talking about here. Now, if you want to take everything I'm showing you today and actually implement it in your business step by step, you need to check out the AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to learn how to automate your business with AI tools like Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. You'll get SOPs, walkthroughs, and a community of people who are already doing this stuff every single day. I'll drop the link in the comments and description. Seriously, go check it out, because this is exactly the kind of thing we break down in there. All right, let's keep going, because I want to make sure you understand just how powerful this model is. There are 4 things that make Flashlight stand out from everything else right now. Number 1 is multimodal intelligence. This model doesn't just read text. It can analyze images, it can process video, it can work with structured data like spreadsheets and databases, all in one single workflow. That means you can build tools that combine all of these things together, which is something that used to require a whole team of engineers to pull off. Number two is the adjustable thinking levels I mentioned earlier. This is huge, quick task, low thinking, complex analysis, high thinking, you're always in control. Number three is speed. This model was designed from scratch for low latency. That's a fancy way of saying it responds really, really fast. Benchmarks are showing it produces answers about 2.5 times faster than previous Flash models, and the output speed jumped by around 45%. So if you're building chatbots or real-time dashboards or automation tools, this is the model you want. Number four is efficiency. Flashlight is built for high volume. That means you can run thousands and thousands of requests through it without things slowing down or getting clogged up. For anyone building AI tools at scale, this is massive. So what are people actually building with this right now? Let me give you a quick list because I think it'll spark some ideas for you. People are building AI dashboards for their businesses, automated reporting agents that generate insights every single day without being asked, AI workflow assistants that manage tasks and projects, image moderation tools that scan content automatically, translation pipelines that convert content into dozens of languages instantly, business automation bots that handle repetitive work, and internal company co-pilots that help teams work faster. And remember, all of this is being built with simple prompts inside Google AI Studio. You don't need to be a developer. You don't need machine learning experience. You just need to know what you want to build and be willing to experiment. Let me walk you through how to try this yourself right now. Step 1, go to Google AI Studio. Step 2, create a new prompt. Step 3, select the model and look for Gemini 3.1 Flashlight Preview. Step 4, start building. You can upload PDFs, images, datasets, even videos, and then just tell the AI what you want it to do with that data. It's honestly that simple. Now I want you to think about this for a second. We're living in a time where you can build a full AI-powered tool in minutes, not months, not weeks, minutes. The barrier to entry has never been lower, and the tools have never been more powerful. That combination is what makes this moment so exciting. And here's the thing that most people miss. It's not about using AI to do one cool thing. It's about stacking these tools together to build systems that run on autopilot. One AI agent pulls your data, another one analyzes it, another one generates reports, another one sends them to your team. You set it up once and it just runs. That's the future of how businesses operate. And with Gemini 3.1 Flashlight and Google AI Studio, that future is available right now. So let me wrap this up with what I think you should do next. First, go try Google AI Studio today, play with Flashlight, upload some data, build something simple, get a feel for how it works. Because once you see what's possible, you're not going to want to go back to doing things the old way. Second, if you're serious about using AI to automate and scale your business, join the AI Profit Boardroom. This is where we go deep on exactly this kind of stuff. You'll learn how to build automation systems with tools like Google Gemini and Google AI Studio, step by step, no fluff. Just real strategies that work. The link is in the comments and description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases just like this one, join the AI Success Lab. It's our free AI community. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 38,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Drop a comment below and tell me what you're going to build first with Flashlight. Julian reads every single one, and I'll see you in the next video.